lovely students. Today we'll learn three different methods to find out the LCM. So hello, how are you all? Hope all of you are doing well. In today's class we are going to discuss about the LCM. We'll start with the term LCM. What is the full form of LCM? That is lowest common multiples. Right? So here is our full form of LCM, and what are the methods of LCM? So basically we discussed three different methods to find out the LCM. So here is our three different methods of LCM. The first one is listing common multiples method, second one is prime factorization method, and the third one is the ladder or cake method, or we can also tell as the division method, right? So generally we use this third number method. So using first type of method, that is listing common multiples method, we have to find out the LCM of 12 and 18. So how we can do that? So we have to first list down all the multiples of 12, 18. I have already written 10 multiples of these both numbers, 12 and 18. So we got here three common multiples. What are those? 36, 72 and 108. So out of these three multiples, we have to choose the smallest one. Why? Because already the full form of LCM we have already discussed, that is the lowest common multiples. So we have to choose the smallest one or the lowest one. So here is the smallest one is 36. So our LCM of 12 and 18 would be 36, right? So this is the first method. Let's find the next method of it. So our second method of LCM, to find the LCM, is prime factorization method, and using prime factorization method we have to calculate the 24 and 36, the LCM of these numbers, right? So we have to represent 24 as a multiples of different factors, right? So basically we take the prime numbers. So how we can represent 24? So 2 into, so we can represent 24 as a multiplication of different prime numbers. 2 into 2, 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. Now 36. So in first number case, in 24, there is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So how many times 2 is there? First, let's count this one. 3 times of 2 is there. So we can write as 2 cube, because 2 is repeated 3 times. So that's why we can write as 2 cube into 3, right? And in second number case, meaning is of 36, we can write it as 2. How many times is repeated here? 2 times. So 2 square into 3. How many times is repeated here? 3 square, right? So now what we need to do, we have to choose, but with highest power of it, we have to choose that one. So here 2 square and 2 cube. 2 square and 2 cube. In between these two, which one is the greatest among them? 2 cube is greatest among them. So 2 cube, then multiply, then 3 maximum time repeated, which one? In that case, in 3 square, so 3 square. So our answer will be 8, meaning 2 cube. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, and 3 into 3, meaning 3 3 is a 9. So our answer will be 72. So our LCM of 24 and 36 is 72, right? Can you see the difference? When we choose this one, with the greatest one, with the greatest power of it, 2 with 2 power and 2 with power 3. So we always choose the greatest power of it. So 2 cube we have chosen. We can't take this one, and in that case, in case of 3, in between 3 and 3 square, we have chosen this one, 3 square, because that is the greatest one. We can't choose this one. So that will be our answer. So here we reach about the third number process of LCM, that is division, or another name of it is cake or the ladder method. So 12 and 30, using this method, division method, we have to find the LCM of 12 and 30. right? So how we can do that? So 12 and 30. So we can divide this both of this number 12 and 30 by 2. So if we divide by 2, what we are getting from there? 6 and here 15, right? Now both of these numbers 6 and 15, both of these numbers can be divided by 3. So if we divide it by 3, what we are getting from there? 2 and here is our 5, right? So 2 and 5 is a pair of co-prime number. So we have to stop our method over here. And now what we need to do is quite same with the HCF, but one difference is there. In case of HCF, we always choose this the standing numbers over here. But in case of the LCM, in division method, we have to choose all the numbers over here in multiplication form. So 2 into then 3, then multiply with 2 into 5. So what is our answer? 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12 and 12 5s are 60. So our LCM of this using this method is that our answer is 60. So students, in today's class we have discussed 3 different methods of LCM. So hope all of you enjoyed today's class. See you in the next class, students. Bye. And that is for today. Tata.